guys, I'm Joy and I'm here today to doodle the benefits of being shy. This video is based on the article, Shyness, It Might Not Be Such a Negative Thing, by Christina Chan. I, myself, am quite a shy person and often find it hard to approach others and strike up a conversation. First off, being shy is not the same thing as being introverted. Being shy is like feeling bashful and timid, while being introverted is choosing to be more reserved. While being shy usually has a negative connotation, it can also have its perks. 1. Modesty is attractive. Shy people don't like bragging about their success or accomplishments, and they may downsize compliments or their own positive characteristics. 2. Cautious. Shy people look before they leap, plan for the unexpected, avoid unnecessary risk, and set long-term goals. They live with morals instead of being rebellious, so authority figures probably trust them to make the right decisions. 3. Sensitive to detail. Shy people are detail-oriented because they're sensitive to stimulation. This leads to a great appreciation for fine details. For example, they might hate roller coasters, which cause a lot of stimulation. They will likely notice all the different flavors in a meal. 4. Approachable. Shyness is rarely a threatening characteristic to people, and it's easier to approach a shy person than to approach a social butterfly. Additionally, most shy people don't have a stuck-up attitude. 5. Calming effect on others. Shy people give off a peaceful vibe, especially in a very upbeat environment. Their calmness and ability to not be dramatic may have a positive effect on others. 6. Human service positions and empathy. Shy people are extremely sensitive to the feelings and emotions of others, so they excel in human service, such as being a psychologist or teacher. They are great listeners who people can easily open up to. Shy leaders are sometimes more effective than extroverted leaders because they talk less and listen more. 7. More trustworthy. Shy people don't gossip much or brag. People can trust them with keeping secrets. 8. Deeper friendships. The few friendships shy people possess are usually deep, long-lasting ones. Making friends probably isn't easy for them, so when they do find a friend, they value them greatly and work to maintain the relationship. 9. Successful at solitary work. A majority of jobs require focus and concentration in a solitary environment, such as being an accountant, clinical work, or a lab technician. This is where shy people thrive. Because they aren't very social, a place with less distractions and interactions allows them to perform exceptional. Now that you know the positive sides to being shy, what is your opinion? Do you think being shy is more beneficial than being outgoing? If you consider yourself outgoing, are there any times you wish you were shy? Comment your answers down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy our content.